Hello, Mr. Geiselhart here, and I'm going to explain number 6 on homework 7, which is the assignment on finding the slope of a tangent line. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and see if I can fill out my limit statement. So see if I can fill this out. I start by saying we want it at x equals -8. So that means I have to take the limit as x approaches -8. F of x is just going to be my x cubed. F of a is f of -8 because a is going to be -8. That's what I'm approaching here. So that'll be minus a -8 cubed. And on bottom, I have x minus a -8. Well, minus a negative is adding the opposite. So actually what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to make this into a positive 8. So it's going to look like that. So now what I have to do is simplify the top. So I'm going to write this out as the limit as x approaches -8 of, this will be on top, x cubed minus. Now, -8 cubed is a -512. So I'm going to have over x plus 8. And I see that I accidentally wrote an infinity symbol there instead of an 8, x plus 8. Now, that's going to equal the limit as x approaches -8 of, on top here, minus a negative makes that positive, so x cubed plus 512 over x plus 8. Now normally what we'll do is we'll just see, can I take this -8 and put it in for x and get an answer? Well, the answer is no, because if I do that, I'm going to end up with a 0 on the bottom. So now I have to take this top part and I have to expand it. Well, that looks a lot like this. I have x cubed plus a cubed. So this is the same thing as saying x cubed plus 8 cubed, just like we have kind of in the beginning over here. So now that means that in this formula, I'm going to have x plus 8 instead of, let me back up here just one second, not x plus 8, I'm sorry, x cubed plus 8 cubed is what I'm going to have there. So when I put this in, it's going to be, I'm just going to replace a with 8. So I'll have something that looks like this. The limit as x approaches -8 of, now on top I'm going to start with this, x plus 8 times x squared minus 8x plus 8 squared, which is 64, all of that over x plus 8. So now I can cancel that with that, and I get the limit as x approaches -8, and I keep writing infinity instead of 8 there. I got to make that into an 8, of x squared minus 8x plus 64. Now, at this point, I can just take -8 and substitute it in for x, and I'll get an answer. So that'll be -8 squared minus 8 times -8 plus 64. Well, -8 squared is 64. -8 times -8 is a positive 64 plus 64. When I add those all together, I'm going to end up with 192. So that will be my slope.